Understanding the 11th Hour, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you master the English language one phrase at a time. Today, we're exploring a very intriguing expression, the 11th hour. This phrase is not just about time. It's loaded with meaning, urgency, and sometimes, a bit of drama. Let's dive into the origins, meanings, and how you can use this expression in your everyday English conversations. The 11th hour refers to the last moment when change is possible or when an action can be taken. Imagine the clock is ticking, and you're running out of time. That's the 11th hour, a point just before it's too late. It often carries a sense of urgency and implies that there's a narrow window left for action. The phrase, the 11th hour, comes from a biblical parable in the Gospel of Matthew, where laborers are hired at the 11th hour of the day to work in the vineyards. Interestingly, despite being hired so late, they receive the same pay as those who worked all day. This story highlights themes of redemption and receiving unexpected opportunities at the last possible moment. Let's look at how you can incorporate the 11th hour into your daily English. 1. Deadline context. She submitted her application at the 11th hour, just before the deadline. 2. Dramatic decision. He made an 11th hour decision that changed the course of the game. 3. Last-minute rescue. The team found a solution at the 11th hour, saving the project from failure. While the 11th hour is the most common, variations like at the last minute or in the nick of time convey similar meanings. These expressions can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the level of formality. Understanding phrases like the 11th hour not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English that make it such a vibrant and expressive language. We hope this exploration helps you in your journey to becoming fluent in English. Remember, it's never too late to learn something new, even at the 11th hour. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.